day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the Z79 Max smartwatch. Okay, a unique looking smartwatch with a Watch Ultra clone inspired design. Okay, so previously we paired it with a support app. This time we are going to check on the different watch faces available for this smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's have the smartwatch. Okay, and as you can see here, it is also already preloaded with a watch face. So it has different watch face here, beautiful looking watch face with a curved side or curved corner, rounded corner, and it almost a slimless or borderless, okay, screen display. Okay, you don't see any black border here, and it is preloaded with different watch faces. Okay, so beautiful looking watch faces here, from digital to analog watch faces. So you can access the watch face section here on the settings. So let's see. So we have here, you can also activate the smart island, screen off time. As you can see, these are the details or the options for the smartwatch screen display. Drain off, what else? Power saving, time settings. Let's see, we have a 12-hour format time. Okay, so we have here an option for the 12-hour format time. Okay, so these are the features of the watch face or the smartwatch screen display. Okay, so it's already preloaded with several watch faces, as you can see, and it supports smart island. As you can see, you'll see the notifications here on the top. No news so far, as you can see. Okay, with the support app or the fit, we can download additional watch face for your smartwatch. Okay, again, just go to your device, tap on the watch face market, and we have here a categorized watch face section or dial section. We have pointer, digit, and customize. Okay, for the pointer, so we have plenty or comprehensive list of watch faces here. I like this one. Okay, we also have this one. We also have the digital watch faces. Okay, let's go with the pointer. Let's download a watch face, a sample watch face here. Let's see if there will be any issues at all or none. Okay, so it's already downloading. As you can see, just like our previous smartwatch, when you select a watch face here, it will automatically download to our smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, let's pick other watch faces here, not this one. Let's go with the first one. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, so automatically it will be pushed to our smartwatch. Okay, there's no option, okay, or button here that will ask whether you want to download the watch face or not. Once you selected the watch face, it will automatically push to your smartwatch, as you can see here. Beautiful looking. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, let's go for this. I also like this. Oh, not that one. Cancel. Okay, so you have to pick a dial to replace. We'll replace this one. Okay, and that's it. Downloading the dial resource file, and we have it here with animation here on the bottom part with the digital watch face. Let's see. Okay, I love this one, very clean. Okay, let's replace that one. So far, smooth installation. of watch faces. Very fast so far. Okay, I like this. Okay, let's adjust the screen display, the brightness. What's this one? The brightness. Do we have an option here? Brightness. So you can see the, okay, we have it here. Okay, for the custom watch faces, we also have an option here. Okay, you can pick from pointer to digital watch face. We'll go with a pointer. Okay, change background. Next, allow. So pick from album of take photo. We'll pick album. Okay, pick this one and check. Oh, we also have a background here. Let's try. Okay, so dual, as you can see. Nice. I'll pick this one. You can also pick a color here if you don't like the background. Let's go with this. Then check. Okay, then save. Okay. Okay, let's see if we will have a successful download. So far it will take some time, I think, because we have a double graphics here. We have our custom watch face and we have our custom background. 67, and that's it. We have our custom watch face with, okay, double with a background also, and we also have here still our smart island. Okay, so far we don't have any issues at all with the downloading of watch faces for our Z79 Max smartwatch. Okay, so before we end, let's browse again the different section or the different design, okay, of pointer watch faces. Okay, so if you're planning to buy and want to see the list of watch faces, well, here it is. Okay, it has a comprehensive list of watch faces, as you can see here. Okay, beautiful looking watch faces. It's all free, I think. Yes, it's all free. Okay, very good support app when it comes to the available watch faces offering, and it's free, unlike other applications that it is for sale or there's a price. Okay, so very comprehensive list of watch faces. Okay, so we are on the pointer. We are still on the pointer section, and that's it for the digital or digit. Okay, let's check. We have here Christmas themed watch faces, animated, cartoons, okay, clean, colorful watch faces, astronaut themed watch faces. So we have a good list of watch faces here. Okay, so that's it so far for the Z79 Max watch face section or watch face options. Okay, so there's plenty of watch faces to download for your smartwatch. So again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.